Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at UMA. What is UMA crypto and how does it work? It's been a while since I've updated everyone on this cryptocurrency. We want to have a further look. Universal market access was one of the earliest protocol to emerge in the increasingly popular sector of decentralized finance. So just in case you're wondering, what exactly is UMA? It's known as Universal Market Access. Now, it's also a prominent token supported by second biggest crypto network Ethereum. UMA aims to bring access to decentralized market to a wider array of users by enabling everyone to build their DeFi products on protocols. UMA allows users to create financial contracts and synthetic assets with highly accessible tools and features represents an open source decentralized protocol that enables universal market access, hence the name of the project. So it's an open source protocol that is based on the Ethereum network. It allows everyone to build their own financial contracts and create synthetic assets. What exactly are these financial contracts? What exactly are contracts? What exactly are synthetic assets? The best way to get a look at this is to have a look at the actual protocol itself, the actual network, the actual ecosystem, a decentralized truth machine. UMA's optimistic oracle can record any verifiable truth or data onto a blockchain. The optimistic oracle verifies data in stages. A statement is produced as true. Most statements go undisputed. Anyone can dispute a statement. Token holders vote in dispute and earn rewards. So that's the very simplistic style of UMA. If I was to make it as simple as possible, that in a few words is basically what it is. On this protocol, you can stake, you can vote, and you can earn up to 30.1% in APR. That's what they've said. I can't verify this for myself because I've never invested in UMA, and this is not an investment video, it's not a financial advice video. This video is simply for educational purposes. What's really nice is that they explain things really simplistic, everything from the government to the predictable market, insurance, cross-chain communication, and also real-world assets. So that's really fantastic. Introducing OSNAP, a DAO governance made simple. And when it comes to cryptocurrency, a lot has gone into the thought behind governance. How will it be governed? And most cryptos, this is a huge talking point on most cryptos. It is a huge talking point. In fact, it's probably one of the biggest talking points. Some cryptos, they're run by, organizations. There are some cryptos like Bitcoin that is purely just, it's a very difficult cryptocurrency to upgrade, hence the reason why it's very limited. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoins are built to do something very straightforward, very simplistic. That is to give people more financial freedom. There's nothing more to it essentially. They keep it very, very simplistic. Now, in no way on the website did it say that they participate in the development of dApps, which are decentralized application. It's mostly what I invest in, and that's just my personal preference. But the primary use case of this protocol, of this platform, is that developers can develop contracts. The primary integration point into UMA ecosystem is the optimistic oracle. The OO is an oracle for arbitrary off-chain data, which leverages an interactive escalation game between requesters, processors, proposers, and disputers, and it's secured by an economical incentive. And I believe this video will explain a lot more to a lot more people that still want to go more in depth into this protocol, into this platform. They also go into information on how it really works. That's not really my primary concern, is how it works, because we've seen things like this that have worked very similar, have very similar identifiers. But one of the key things I did wanted to explain what is the optimistic oracle, the OO. An assertor will pose a bonded assertion about the state of the world. This assertion will be identifier, price identifier being requested. Timestamp, timestamps of the facts being asserted. Claim, ancillary data containing additional information about the assertion. Currency, ERC20 token used for payments towards rewards and fees. Now, this must be approved for use with the DVM. Bond. A bond size represents the stake of the assertor is putting on their statement being corrected. If you're curious about what the DVM is, that's the data verification mechanism. It provides a backstop to the UMAOO for resolving dispute that when a proposed asserted piece of data is disputed. They go into more information on this, but like I said, it's not my main focus. However, I do like to understand a few of the nuances. This can be key. But now it's getting into more of the information that I'm curious about, the ecosystem, if there is one. The UMA token is an integral part of UMA ecosystem that it guarantees the economical security of UMA smart contracts and its oracle systems. The objective of the UMA token is enable to optimize oracles to remain secure, utilizing a fully decentralized and permissionless method. UMA's DVM is designed with an economical guarantee around the cost it would take to corrupt the oracle and the profit someone would receive. The DVM ensures the price to obtain 51% of UMA tokens is greater than the profit from corrupting the DVM as measured by the collateral stored in the UMA's financial contracts. This is achieved through an inflationary reward, currently 0.05% of total network token supply, distributed pro rata by stake to voters who participate and vote correctly, as long as there's an honest majority voters will vote correctly. And they take you through the voting process as well. Like I said, not really my main focus, but I would love to understand a little bit more about the UMA ecosystem. What I tend to find a lot is that the UMA is a part of someone else's ecosystem. For one, it's built upon Ethereum, so it's technically a part of the Ethereum ecosystem. Because the protocol is built upon Ethereum, you'll find that there's a lot of similarities with Ethereum. So of course it's a part of other ecosystem as well. Base Insider. Explore the recap of top highlights, news, and events within the Base ecosystem. UMA. Bookies integrate UMA Optimistic Oracle. So this Optimistic Oracle is actually being used within Base's ecosystem, along with subquery choose to build on Base, VCon. VCon 2024 is building on Base. Exception TG Dex Aggregator is now live on Base. A new version of the Friend Pet just dropped. EtherFi, and the list goes on. So it is known for being a part of others' ecosystem, which is a very interesting approach. Because of the technology that they can provide at UMA, this simply puts them in a very unique position where people want to use them because they have something unique, which is the OO. That's the Optimistic Oracle. It's being used in other ecosystem. This does give UMA some value. It'd be good to see others using their ecosystem being placed on the UMA ecosystem, but instead it's mostly others who need the use of their protocol to better their ecosystem. So I hope that makes sense. What I'm essentially saying is I would like to see UMA with an ecosystem of its own that others are on their platform, being on the UMA platform. But then it gets into more complicated details because that's probably not what UMA is primarily built for or with the idea of, because not every platform is built in with that idea. But if we look at others like Injective, the Injective Lab ecosystem is rapidly growing, and this includes UMA, Chainlink, Oracle, Band Protocol. It includes quite a few different applications out there that are in different spaces. So if you look at Injective Incubator, that's where UMA is included. You look at blockchain, they're using Avalanche, Polygon, Cosmos, Elrond, Near Protocol, Stack, Phantom, the list goes on. In terms of DeFi platform, Mirror, Kava, the list goes on. So they're using all of these platforms for various different things. But Injective is not included on these platforms, not to my knowledge. So in this ecosystem, it's all about finding use cases for UMA. If people can find use cases for UMA, UMA will gradually be successful as it's doing thus far. So just before we close out this video, what makes UMA valuable? What makes it unique? With UMA protocol, anyone can create synthetic assets and token cryptocurrencies. You can create your own cryptocurrencies on the UMA platform. That way, UMA users can own Bitcoin, for example, without holding the actual cryptocurrency, By lowering the entry barrier, UMA is clearing the path for institutions and individuals from developing economies, allowing them to have an equal chance of owning a financial derivative through tokenization. What gives UMA value? It derives its value from technical capacities, technologies, use cases. Use cases. It's being used in other platforms. That's a use case. So the intrinsic value of the UMA is defined through its innovative technology and the relevance of the utility, which is how UMA market value can also be influenced. So that's a little look at UMA. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it made sense. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.